The DJI Osmo 360 is finally here, officially confirmed after all the rumors, leaks, and fan theories. This isn't just another 360 cam, it shatters conventions. DJI didn't tiptoe into the space, they stormed in. And trust me, we're about to dive deep into every game-changing spec that makes this a seismic moment for creators everywhere. Massive 1-inch sensor. The moment that dropped jaws worldwide, DJI crammed a massive 1-inch sensor into a palm-sized 360 camera. No gimmick, real, full-size sensor. Expect incredible low-light performance across day, night, studio, or mountaintop shoots. This is the breakthrough 360 creators have been waiting for. Native 8K and high-speed modes say hello to native 8K at 30 frames per second, no upscaling, no compromises. Shooting 360 just got crispy crisp. Want slow mo? Go 4K at 120 frames per second, or hit that balanced sweet spot with 5K at 60 frames per second. This camera is built for creators who demand visuals that punch you right in the face. 120 megapixel photos. Did I say megapixels? Try 120MP photos, yes, 120. Insta360's big guns peak at 72MP, DJI just casually doubled them. If you're all about high-res panoramas or immersive landscapes, this is your next asset. 10-bit DLOGM color for post-production geeks, this one's for you. The Osmo 360 supports 10-bit DLOGM, giving you dynamic range that doesn't fall apart in grading. Deeper skies, rich shadows, perfect skin tones, color grading. 360 just got cinematic level tools. 100 minutes 8K battery plus optional extended pack battery life is a 360 killer, but DJI slapped in a 1850 mAh built-in battery, offering 100 minutes of sustained 8K shooting. And if that's not enough, a rumored extended battery bar may push runtime to 180 minutes. That's 3 hours of continuous 8K, a 360 camera marathon, redefined. Audio and modular mounting. Osmo audio compatibility hints at DJI Mic 3 integration, giving creators professional-grade sound. Plus, a magnetic quick-release modular mount makes swapping accessories fast and secure. Streamline your setup, stay agile. Missing dual-lens split view? One question, where's the dual-lens split view mode we heard about? DJI hasn't addressed it, maybe firmware, maybe future. Minor gripe on an otherwise beastly package. Price breakdown. Pricing is jaw-dropping for what you get. Standard combo, $759, USA, Adventure Combo W/extended battery plus extras, $999. Honestly? I expected to cross the $1,000 plus line. DJI's made this a high-end 360 camera within reach. Why it matters? DJI isn't experimenting, they're declaring dominance. A 1-inch sensor, native 8K/120MP, pro color, modular design, killer battery, all packed in one. They didn't just dip a toe into the market, they threw down the gauntlet. Quick Neo 2 FCC spotlight. Switching gears, DJI's Neo 2 just hit the FCC database, signaling a US launch in 4 to 8 weeks. FCC marks show, lightweight, crash-resistant build. Active Track 6.0 Full HDR photo/better DR. Possible obstacle detection array. Hints point to a stylish $449 to $599 price band, perfect for compact drone fans. What's next? Expect bundles, controller updates, maybe a surprise feature in the Neo 2 launch. DJI showing no signs of slowing down. Final verdict: DJI's Osmo 360 is a power play, not a test. They've redefined what 360 creators can expect: massive sensor, pro-level video/photo specs, cinematic color, real-world battery life, and smart modular design, all at a killer price. If you're hyped, drop a comment, like, and of course subscribe, because we're going gear deep when this launches. And stay tuned for the Neo 2 rollout.